I'm Dr. Allison. I'm going to be performing an adjustment here on my patient. So we typically start out using the drop table. This is for our pelvis. And then I typically work our way up, and I'll start adjusting kind of in this mid-back section. Deep breath. All the way up. Same thing, deep breath. All right, and then let's get you up on your side, please. And that top leg. And then this is more for the low back area. Go ahead and face the other way. Go ahead and lay face up. And then we go in and we start feeling for the misalignment in the neck. And then typically, especially with patients who like to work at a desk or, stare at a computer all the time, I kind of go in and do a little extra stretch for this muscle right in through here. Tends to help with some of the tightness. You're good. And that is a normal adjustment here at Wilbeck.